Derick, here to show you my 2008 Dyna Superglide. First thing we got here is Memphis Shades fairing. Added that. I originally had a windshield. This Memphis Shades does much better at highway speeds, not nearly as much wind buffeting. I also added these radial mount brakes, dual disc radial mount brakes. One of the best things you can do to your motorcycle is have adequate stopping power. To go along with that stopping power, I've got this 2-in-1 stainless steel pipe, Two Brothers Racing. Added that a couple months back. Incredible difference. This has Harley Davidson saddlebags added as an accessory. No Dynas came with that in this year. That's one of those things that once you have it, you can't live without it. These are actually leather wrapped. I stripped all the leather off of them, just have that nice ABS finish. Some of the other things that I've done is rear suspension. This bike came with 12-inch shocks in the rear. I added these 13-inch Drag Specialties adjustable shocks. The seat's actually off of a 2016 Dyna Lowrider. Frame's still the same. I think it's a good look. It matches the paint, matches the emblems. 6.5-inch pullback risers, Harley Davidson mid-bend bars. Goes right on there, internally wired, nice and clean. This bike came with incandescent lights all around. I've switched all those out to LED. I'm using custom dynamics turn signals, a Harley Davidson headlight, and a custom dynamics tail light. I also have other accessories that I can run on this bike. I have a sissy bar, it's quick detach, small tour pack bag that goes on the luggage rack of the sissy bar. Makes that traveling so much easier. Again, this bike was sold as a cruiser bike, or just a round town beater bike. I basically turned into a light touring. That can be done with almost any Harley Davidson with the right accessories added to it. This bike came with laced wheels. It's been switched out to mag wheels. These were a Harley Davidson P&A accessory back in the mid-2000s. They're called a Split 6. I don't know that I've ever seen them on another Dyna. Again, thank y'all for checking it out with me. It's my 2008 Dyna Superglide. Far from stock these days, but it's my favorite bike I've ever had. And I suggest you go get you one. Start customizing, start doing the things that make it your specific bike.
Follow me on Instagram, Zana Green.
Make sure to subscribe to the Shifting State YouTube channel. You're going to be seeing more videos like this, more bikes we find, want to be showed. We're going to show them off, let you talk about it, get your bike out there.